Now that we've been talking about keywords, let's look at where we can get keywords and where we can start building our lists. There are three primary keyword tools that I enjoy using. The first is called Keyword Discovery, which is really just a way to start building your list. LinkDex and Raven SEO are both tool sets that offer much more than simply getting keywords. They offer rank checking, link management, as well as website management tools. We'll just be looking at the keyword research abilities of both of those tools in this section. The first keyword research tool that I like going to is keyworddiscovery.com. This tool really just lists the keywords that are related to the concept that you're looking for. It's one of the easiest tools to use because all it really does is help you gather a list, an extensive list of keywords. So if I simply want to look for the term vacations, and you can go between different databases, meaning there are different databases for each country. You can also search eBay, shopping, or simply just Google data to get information from those isolated sources. I like using either the Global Premium or the historical global databases, as they give me the most amount of information. So when I search for the term vacations, what Keyword Discovery is going to show me are all the keywords that have been used in search queries that use that word as its base. Now, I've got a number of words here that it's showing me, but what's amazing to me is the amount of estimated results. What that means is that there are over 100,000 variations of the search phrase using the word vacations. So as you can see here, as we scroll down, we have Mexico vacations, family vacations, Hawaii vacations. And so as I want to add each of these words to my project, I just simply check the ones that I want. And I can take all of the destination vacations here, or even some of the other words that people are using, and I simply hit add, and those will be added then to my project so that I can come back later and look specifically at that list. Now those are added to my project, and now I can go deeper into some other areas. So if I want to look specifically at Mexico vacations, I would click on that term, and now what Keyword Discovery is going to do is it's going to look specifically at all of the keywords that have Mexico and vacations in the phrase. And this tells me that I've got almost 2,000 phrases that are related to that. So I have vacations Mexico reversed, vacations in Mexico, Mexico Apple vacations Mexico, all-inclusive, Mexico and vacations. So what I'm getting here are all the different ways that people search for Mexico vacations, and then I can drill down into each of the different areas of vacations and learn how people search and start gathering a large list of keywords. Once I have a project together, I can select that project, and I can also export all of those results to a spreadsheet that I can start working with and organizing all of my keywords once I've gathered them. The next keyword tool, and even more than a keyword tool, LinkDex is really a complete website marketing tool. But we're going to look at the keyword settings in LinkDex, because what LinkDex does is that it uses some of the Google database and search engine databases to assist you in finding new keywords to manage. So if I want to search for a new keyword, what it does is it looks for words that are similar and suggests phrases that I might want to use. So I can see here that classic VW Beetles for sale is a keyword that is not in my portfolio right now. I can see that Google is estimating that it gets about 110 searches a month, and the competition is 9 out of 10. So it is relevant. There is a lot of competition for not a lot of searches, but I'm going to go ahead and add that to my project. And I'm also going to look for any other words that would be similar that I want to include in my strategy. And so I'll go ahead and click those. And once they're clicked, they are added into my keyword management tool. If I want to look and see my rankings from LinkDex, I click on the Rankings tab, and then I can go down and see the words that I have. And I can see a quick ranking throughout the past 90 days of which terms have been staying steady, which terms have had some up and down movement, and it's interesting to see how they have returned back to their rankings after a little bit of fluctuation. That's completely normal. That's why I don't put a lot of stock in ranking reports. What I'm interested in seeing is the movement and the competition for specific words. For example, the keyword classic beetle. I'm ranking number 4. I've gone up since the last rank check. And the page that's ranked, this means that it's the home page. Now, these little icons down here are very helpful because they let me know what else is being shown on the ranking results page. So this number 4 with the square lets me know that there are 4 paid ads for that specific keyword. The camera icon lets me know that there are also image results showing up for that keyword, and a play button means that there are also video results showing. So this lets me know where my site is ranking, but also with blended results, what else is showing on the page. I can also see that I received 88 visits from the search engines, with Google's estimated count of monthly traffic around 630 people searching for that phrase. So it looks like I'm doing fairly well for that phrase with the competition that's there. Now let's go look at Raven SEO tools. And it's very similar the way you develop your keywords from there. You go to the Research tab and to Keywords. Now, getting into keywords, I can pull up the project that I already have existing, and I can see the keywords that I've already selected. Now I can go in also and look at related keywords that are being provided to me. Now what Raven is doing also is showing me the cost per click if I were to be bidding on these terms from Google. And I can see the competition index as well as the average search volume. If I want to add these into my project, then I simply click Add, and then I can manage them very similar to link decks. This is an overview of just a few of the keyword tools that are available to you to help you build your lists and manage them along with the overall marketing of your website.